Are you wondering how the election is going to affect the real estate market? In this video, I'm going to show you how. Let's go. Hey, it's Adam Narreau here with Realty One Group Empire, and according to the news, Joe Biden is the next president of the United States. According to Donald Trump, there's been massive voter fraud, and Donald Trump won by a landslide. However, let's just put ourselves into the future and let's say that Joe Biden is the next president of the United States. How is that going to affect the real estate market? And to put it bluntly, it doesn't. All right, so let me explain. So the issue with the real estate market is we have record low inventory. Now this is nationwide. In my area, the Victor Valley area, we're sitting at just about 600 homes available for sale. That's pretty much right below 1 month's worth of inventory. So if another home isn't brought to the market, that means we run out of homes to sell in 30 days. So in your area, it could be more, it could be less. Reach out to me if you don't have a professional in your area, and I can refer you to a professional real estate agent that will take care of you and keep you informed on the market. So moving forward, let's just say it's the day after the inauguration. Everybody that said, if their candidate lost, they're moving out of the country. So let's use this as a hypothetical event. So in this case, all the Donald Trump supporters, they're moving out of the country. Where they're going, I don't know. But let's just say we quadruple our available inventory in my area, the Victor Valley area. That means we would be at 2,400 homes. So quick math, if 600 homes equals about 1 month's worth of inventory, 2,400 homes is going to equal about 4 months worth of inventory. What's considered a healthy market is 6 months worth of inventory. So we're still even below what's considered a healthy market. So our market would still be moving, instead of homes going into escrow in 2 days, it might be 14 to 21. So the market will still be on fire. All right, so I got my trusty laptop here as always, and I want to show you this. Now this is from Black Knight Inc. So I'll pull this up on the screen. Now the Black Knight Inc., what they do, they basically monitor the mortgage field. So as you can see here, they're saying that rate lock activity continues to remain strong across the board, assuming a 45-day lock to close period. Q3 of 2020 will set new quarterly records for refinance, purchase, and total origination volumes. So think about the 45-day lock to close. If we're playing baseball, you're on third base. At a certain point in escrow, you lock in your rate, and we'll say home base. Home base is me handing you the keys to your home. Once you lock in your rate, you're on your way home. So with that, they also say estimated origination volumes based on underlying locks suggest Q3 refinance and total originations could be up 25% or more from Q2, while purchase lending could be up by 35% or more. I mean, those are huge numbers in a very short amount of time. Now, this is where it gets interesting. So this would push 2020 purchase lending to its highest level since 2005, and both refinance lending and total origination volumes to their highest levels ever, with total lending on pace to easily eclipse the $4 trillion threshold for the first time on record. I mean, if that doesn't tell you that the real estate market is on fire right now, I don't know what else you need to hear. Turn off the video and go do your own thing, because I can't help you. So, I mean, it's right there. I'll leave the link in the description to the report, but what more do you want me to say? If you're thinking of selling, now is the time. If you're thinking of buying, we are at record low interest rates. There's no better time than now to buy. Now, as a buyer, yes, it is competitive buying a home in today's market. There's no way around that. But what you need is a good agent, me, to help you through that process, be the one out there in the field fighting for you, getting it done. So reach out to me. Here's my contact information. Give me a call. Let's get you into a home if you're ready to buy. And sellers, if you're ready to sell and secure your equity, reach out to me. I would love to help you secure your equity. There's no better time than now. I mean, I just told you $4 trillion, never been hit before. Let's go, baby, come on. Okay, so with all that good news, what could be the cause for either a slowdown in the real estate market or a crash in the real estate market? And I think the main culprit of that would be an extended lockdown. Now, in the first lockdown, I believe it's 50% of businesses are never gonna open their doors again. That is highly unfortunate. If we have another one within the same 12-month period, I mean, that is gonna be detrimental to not just the housing market, that's gonna be detrimental to the whole US economy. I mean, that's basically gonna shut down everything. Who knows what could happen from that? So I think the main issue would be an extended lockdown. If Trump does remain the president, I don't think we're gonna see a lockdown. His whole thing has been to wanting to open up the country. With Biden, I mean, I know he's been talking about a mask mandate. Maybe that would be the, our saving grace, if you want to look at it that way. I know some people don't feel good about the mask, others do, but an extended lockdown, I feel, would be absolutely detrimental to not just the housing market, but the whole US economy. If an extended lockdown goes on, it's not good for anybody. And with that being said, I think the question you really have to ask yourself is, are business owners even going to comply with a second lockdown? I mean, with the first one, if 50% of those that shut their doors aren't going to open again, I mean, if you go into a lockdown for a second time, there's no way in hell you're going to freaking open up your doors again. So if you comply, your business is probably done. So I think that's a question you have to ask yourself. Are business owners actually going to comply with a second lockdown, knowing that if they shut their doors, they're not going to open ever again? So I think that's one of the issues we have to look at. Are people going to comply with the second lockdown? And if they do, I mean, their business is probably done for good. So that's what I feel is going to be the main factor to either slowing down or potentially not just crashing the real estate market, but the whole economy, is an extended lockdown. All right, so there it is. Those are my thoughts on how the election, whichever way it goes, is going to affect the real estate market. Basically, it's not unless we have an extended lockdown. As you saw in the report, I mean, we're on pace to go over $4 trillion in total lending, which has never been done before. So just that alone is showing you that the real estate market is strong right now. So sellers, if you're thinking of selling, do it now. Eventually, we're not going to be in this situation, so take advantage of it now. I'm telling you, every video, take advantage of it now. Buyers, same thing. We're at record low interest rates. Just take advantage of it now. We're in good times. I don't know how long this is going to last, but when it's gone, I don't want to be sitting here pointing to these videos saying, hey, look, I've been telling you in every video, if you're going to sell, sell. And if you're wanting to buy, buy. Do it now, please. Oh, man. All right. So with that being said, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, I drop a new video every week. So my name's Adam Narreau, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.